This video explains how to merge two pandas data frames based on a particular column name in the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then in the next code box we can create our first example data frame. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame is appearing. And this data frame contains 6 rows and 4 columns, whereby the first column is called col, and the other 3 columns are called x1, x2 and x3. Now for this example we need to create another example data frame, as you can see in the next code box. So after running these lines of code, another data frame is appearing, which is called data2, and this data frame contains 4 rows and 4 columns, and the first column is called col once again, and the other columns are called y1, y2 and y3. Now let's assume that we want to merge these data frames based on a specific column, so in this example based on the column col. Then we can apply the merge function, as you can see in the next code box. So within the merge function we need to specify the names of the 2 data frames. So in this case our data frames are called data1 and data2. And then we need to specify the on argument to specify the column name of the column based on which we want to merge our data frames. So in this case we want to merge our data frames based on the column name col. So as you can see below this code box, after running these lines of code, a new data frame is appearing, and this data frame contains our merging column col, as well as the 3 input columns from the data frame data1 and the 3 input columns from the data frame data2. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.